and welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how I do my hair. This is kind of like my signature look. I never really wear my hair straight anymore. I'm going to show you how you can kind of get like a blown out effect without going to the salon. So to start off with, I'm going to take my Demon brush and I'm just going to brush it all out. And whilst I'm doing this, I have my flat iron. This is a GHD one and I've got this on a temperature of 190. I don't use anything more than that because I don't want to give my hair heat damage. So yeah. So once I've done that and it's all brushed out, yeah, let's get on with the curling. So taking a hairband, I'm just going to part my hair in two sections. It's normally not very neat, but it's just to kind of get it out the way. And then taking the section that's down, I'm going to work with this one. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a small section from the back, just about that thick, and I'm going to clip this bit up. I take a wide tooth comb. I always make sure I brush through my sections before I go in and curl them. So taking my flat iron, what I like to do is I like to start from the top and then I'm going to go around and down. I hope you guys can see this very well. And that's what I like to do. So I'm just going to leave that and then move on to the next section. This is the way I've always kind of curled my hair. I've never really curled my hair with any other tools. I don't really like using like curling wands or just tongs in general. I don't really like using anything like that because I feel like this type of girl, it just looks a lot nicer and I feel like it's quicker when you do it with the hair straighteners. As you can see, my hair is literally grown like 4 inches just by curling it, so you can already tell that if it does that, you're doing it right and you're curling it right. Another thing that I try to do is I try to alternate the direction my curls are flowing, just so it looks somewhat even. So some of my curls will be going this way and then some of them will be going that way towards my face. And especially, I feel like it makes such a difference, like when you're curling your hair, especially when you get to the top front portion of your hair. If you want that kind of blown out effect and to make all your curls go backwards, you need to curl them backwards. And if you want them to frame your face, you need to curl it forwards. Another thing you can do is you can hairspray the curls to make them stay in a lot longer. Yeah, it's going to be exactly the same for what I'm going to carry on doing with this portion of my hair and this portion of my hair, and then I will come back to you when I'm doing my fringe. So this is all my hair curled. This is what it looks like. A bit crazy at the moment, but yeah, I'm not going to do anything with it. I'm literally just going to clip it back because this is what I normally do. I normally like roll it into a bun and clip that there so it's like this. So what I normally do is, because it gets a bit messed up in the process of doing all of the back bit, I normally brush it out and just collect all my fringe and then separate the bits that are obviously not my fringe and which are. And what I normally do is I normally just roll it. So it's like that. And then I do the same to the other side. So that's normally how I wear my fringe. And then I'm going to take this down just so it collects. The reason why I put it in a bun is because I don't really like it this curly. Like, I like it when the curls have dropped out quite a bit. So I feel like when I put it in a bun, it kind of like makes all the curls bunched together. So then when I brush it out, it looks a lot more nicer. And then I'm going to take a paddle brush and I'm going to start from the bottom and I'm going to work up. So I just kind of like lightly brush it together, and then as you can see, it starts to create like an S shape in the hair. So that's one side, and obviously hairspray that if you're gonna go out or whatever, but I'm just gonna leave it and then chuck that to the back, make sure I don't ruin it, and do the other side. So that's it for like the curls. And then what I like to do is for these bits, because I think they look really cute, I just kind of like to blend them into my hair, the rest of my hair, or else they're just kind of gonna flick out like this, and I don't like that. So how I blend them in is I will get my wide tooth comb again, and I'm just going to brush it into the curl. Right, so that is my signature look. This is how I do my hair every day pretty much. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 200 subscribers, so it would really be lovely if you could help me out. Thank you for watching again, and see you soon.